Hello, everyone. I'm very pleased to present to you our brand new sports fastback, the A390 Beta. So this design is all about duality. It's a racing car in a suit. Our ambition is to deliver the driving experience of an A110 in a new, sporty, yet elegant, 5-door coupe body style. A390 Beta embodies all the distinctive signs of an Alpine under a new design language inspired by our Alpine Glow concept car revealed 2 years ago. At the front, the V shape is underlined by a crossing light signature, maintaining the 4 iconic headlights, now reinterpreted into a futuristic way. The sharp and sculptural body side shape and enveloping rear window evokes the A110. Its bold stance and resolutely sporty proportion are perfectly balanced with timeless elegance. The second key strength of this exterior design is its focus on aerodynamics. The sport fastback silhouette is a direct result of this work. An A110 extended cabin to accommodate a second row, a silhouette sculpted by the wind. At the front, we created we created an air passage here under the light blades. This is an S-duct that enhances the airflow on the upper section, while air curtain and aero rims optimize the side flows. At the rear, active elements further refine these flows. The lights, the diffuser, and side flaps deploy to reduce drag and improve vehicle efficiency. This exterior design is faithful preview of the A390 production version to come very soon. I invite you now to step inside. While the exterior remains true to our future model, the interior is a field of exploration and innovation for the future of the brand, drawing inspiration from the mountains. The sense of duality is striking, reflected in a bold graphic gesture. The black raw sharp and mineral front contrasts with the soft, snowy, sensual, and pure rear area. This duality extended to the driver cockpit itself. A racing car in a suit truly comes to life, transitioning from a conventional cockpit position to a F1-style setup. The seat tilt, the pedal rise, the steering wheel contract, delivering a powerful statement about our commitment to providing a unique, exhilarating, and definitely sporty driving experience. And on the road, there are surprises to come. I can promise you that technological advancement will bring the true sensation of an A110 into this more versatile vehicle. The active torque vectoring and the 3 electric motors that will power the A390 will deliver a unique driving experience and incredible performance that remain true to the Alpine spirit. You can trust Alpine. It's not just a promise, but a real commitment. And I think I will invite Philippe to join for a final word.
Yes, of course. 2024 has been a great year already, but it's just the beginning. In 2025, Alpine will celebrate its 70th anniversary, 70 years of passion, sportiness, and innovation. And we will, of course, launch this A390 Sport Fastback that will be assembled in Dieppe. We are thrilled to see it on the road, offering a true Alpine driving experience, like an A110, but with 5 seats. We wish to see you very soon for this celebration, and a big thank you to everyone for your attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, the speakers are now available for photographers in front of the vehicle.